However, regulatory threats loom large. Now, despite the impressive growth trajectory, Apple Services business faces mounting legal and regulatory pressure that could fundamentally reshape its economics. The US Department of Justice has filed an antitrust case alleging that Apple maintains a smartphone monopoly and uses its App Store rules, including fees like up to 30% on digital transactions, to stifle competition in areas like mobile payments and smartwatches. Separately, Epic then continues its legal battle to force open the Apple Store to alternative payment systems. Internationally, also, the challenges are equally serious. A UK tribunal recently ruled that Apple abused its near absolute market power in iOS app distribution and in app payments, potentially exposing the company to a £1.5 billion in damages. The UK competition regulator has also placed Apple's mobile platform under oversight of Britain's new digital market regime, while EU regulations threaten similar constraints on the App Store fees. Apple's services milestone represents both an impressive diversification achievement and a cautionary tale about regulatory risks. So given all this, what is the path forward? Analysts project that the services will continue expanding as a percentage of the Apple's business, potentially reaching 30% of the total revenues and $175 billion in annual sales by the decade's end. However, these projections carry significant uncertainty given the regulatory environment. Apple defends its App Store policies as essential for user security, privacy, and developer support, arguments that have found mixed reception in various jurisdictions. The company's ability to maintain its current fee structure while navigating global regulatory frameworks will largely determine whether the growth projections will materialize. For investors and the industry observers, Apple Services milestone represents both an impressive diversification achievement and a cautionary tale about regulatory risks. The question that remains is that whether the company can sustain this high margin engine while adapting to a world that is increasingly skeptical of the big tech